Nakakainis lang sa Rebirth kasi yung minigame. Pero worth it naman. Eh,
verify na ikaw may access ka nga dito kasi binili mo siya. So, ipo-provide namin or allow namin yung download. 'Di ba? Yung server yung gumagawa nun. 'Di ba? So, dito na din. So, ganyan nag-work ang monetary policy. No, na parang yung value, no, which is yung data or sa at least sa monetary policy yun yung currency, no? Magsimula siguro dun sa topic natin, no, at hand. Yeah, I mean anything na parang gusto nyong pag-usapan muna before. Ayan, gaya nito nag-drop na agad dito si JR. Maganda yung game, yung gameplay, tsaka yung story. Binibigyan ko ng ano yan, ng chance yun. 'Di ba? Kaya nga ako I played BioShock. Yung trilogy ng BioShock natapos ko yun.
hindi kang bala.
See my technique? Perfect.
Who the fuck? Lalaki ba yun? Walang boobs. Lalaki ata yun.
Non-existing na siya. 'Di ba? So at least ngayon, no, yung mga modern games nowadays, so since naabutan nila yung versioning control o version control,
Bandage, disinfect. Ilaw.
doon din sa platform nila mangyayari 'yon, no? And then yung mga tao, bibili sila ng NFT for that. Dinabili na nila, nasa wallet na nila, no, ng preservation. Piracy is very siya situational, no, na take kasi parang so yung distribution ng NFT, ito, pwedeng masabi na ni Sony dyan na talagang it's for sale at bibili ng tao.
Huh? What's wrong? Who's that?
No? Kumbaga parang irregardless kung halimbawa mag-down si mag-down si Sony o dili kaya sabi natin mag out of business si Sony. So since hindi na magiging available sa website cutscene, hindi cutscene tawag dun eh. What do you call this? Yung mga set piece. Ayan. 'Di ba? Sabi ko, I mean, totally futuristic kasi yung take ng Infinite Warfare.
Ah, Savior, over here. Savior, thank you.
I've
take care of him. Jack, you can't come with us.
You wanted to speak to me?
Well, not just they best you
Who?
the I've heard that it's out and only you have three. My guess that but I
Who would I? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Blowing, so we're stuck picking up the pieces.
You need the whiskey.
Me and my can look as if we and my people.
Elven Home.
Milinta sa bayag ang pota.
Diba? Libot mo na yung buong Hong Kong dyan. Punta ka ng Macau. Diba? Dumiretso ka na ng Macau niyan. Diba? Para makatikim ka ng lutong Macau. Diba? Para masubukan mo lang.
Deal? You mean your concession decree?
It's not mine. It's on me. Who do all we're at for a land worked by the people.
Right. Then just how much would be your share?
Only an amount.
Component dun is to emulate instead of using the hardware itself. Itong emulation of the game hardware is something na parang alam mo yan, medyo malalim din to na discussion.
Oh.
Relate, no, yung mga tao with that. So that's why parang sa atin, no, sa ating mga employee is
The enemy's
This has nothing to do with them. I need to go west to save lives. Maybe even yours.
The only lives you can save are your own. By turning back.
wala na yung ano kanina. Si Claudine, damit niya. Parang ano to.
From that range, huh?
Let's see where this leads.
Oh, may 5 hours na pala yung stream ko.
Kasi parang ang idea dati sa internet is that parang mag-share lang siya ng information. Para lang siyang dyaryo. No, na parang kunyari, ako yung content.
Someone once told me. That the strength
To believe, too, that a legendary hero like the boss would go over to the Russians, that she'd double-cross us like this. But that's how it is, and if you don't accept it, you'll never be able to beat her.
That's not the problem.
Wait lang.
What a thrill. With darkness and
Yung to yung may challenge. Oh, yun yung
You're pretty good. Pretty good.
mukhang dito yung final boss eh. Ang final boss na kay Choshiro. Oh, bukas na to. Ay, wala pa din.
Later, i-PM ko sa yung account ko na isa. Kasi marami akong account to be well, parang lahat naman ata tayo, no, marami tayong account sa PSN meron.
Meron palang naman sa gilid ko, puta.
Pistol. Around here, even that's hard to come by. Don't worry, though. The one I've got for you is American made.
There's that spark. Fire and spit.
Fire and spit.
No? Malapit na yung pagiging makulit niya. Ang tawag dito, legit yun. Alam niyo yung nausong meme? Yung sa bus, tapos nagpapakita ng
Won't risk it. That said, we can't allow.
I'd need to be on.
Then I wish you luck. The gates will open, and don't worry about your friends.
I appreciate it.
Sabi, maingay ba eh. Kanyari.
What's it going to be? Loyalty to your country or loyalty to me? Your country or your old mentor? The mission or your beliefs? Your duty to your unit or your personal fee?
Doon is that yung information na yon, yung content na yon na sinishare sa lahat, no, sa internet, is that parang nagre-retrieve ka ng copy of that information. Yung blockchain, no, yung record na, yung ledger na sinasabi ko, no, within the blockchain. Ito kasi yung sinishare sa lahat. Kaya nga siya decentralized eh. Ibig sabihin yung storage ng
Okay guys, save muna natin to. Tuloy natin mamaya. Pero parang ayoko.
fans and on the niche cult following, hindi lalaki yung industry ng ganito. Diba? That's because of the casuals. And yung casual,
I'm an idiot.
Errand! By the forge.
I guess that's my key.
Maybe I should go with you to Barren Light.
No, hey, you.
kapag yung game is around 500 pesos na lang, dito sa atin, bibiling ko yon, lalaruin ko. Pero kapag yung latest na COD, walang pre-order. Diba?
The United States?
We leave the disposal of this situation entirely to your discretion, Mr. President.
Disposal.
If you
Oh, my.
This tastes great.
Ang ginagawa nilang as a commodity. So that's why nagre-raise siya ng price, no? Because of the demand. Kasi ganun nag-work eh. Ganun nag-work ang commodity. Kapag mataas ang demand, 'di ba? Kasi it's purely based on emotion sometimes, 'di ba? Sometimes. Kaya minsan, no? Yung
In my time, there'll be no one else.
parang Star Wars themed nila, yun, okay siya, no? Pero parang kung sasabihin mo na sobrang sulit niya, hindi ko mag-gauge eh. Parang feeling ko hindi eh. No, for that time no. Sabi ni Jutim eh. Oh, pero syempre hindi naman nanonood ng stream natin yun. Kaya hindi yun confirmed. Hindi niya alam yun. Busy yun sa mga prospect client niya.
Venomous animal.
Bobo ng cameraman. Pwede naman pumwesto sa likod, umakit pa sa kama. Bobo.
The intelligence says that they are going to make their move during the test.
Then, the soldiers outside.
Ano Uzukidal?
A temporary replacement?
What do you need?
Galing na ako kanina dun ah.
The forge. Ah. Greater gears for greater matters. Guess that means you'll be moving on.
Once I've dealt with any problems around here that need my...
Pang versioning control. So that's why yung archiving ng mga games dati, yung mga source code, tsaka yung mga art asset, mahirap. 'Di ba? Pansin niyo may mga games na kung dati wala kang interaction na pwedeng gawin sa website, but just to consume and to read yung content. So ngayon meron na. So kaya may mga web application ang tinatawag, no? Kasi meron ng user interaction.